So one of the most frequent requests we get is helping you with either extending or mirroring your displays. And so what I want to do is show you how you do that, so you've got a frame of reference later on to refer back to as needed in case you change what you like or you move classrooms. And then also kind of explain to you what each one is just to make sure you're familiar with the terminology. So what you do is, if you want to change this up, is you go to the Finder window, then you go to Applications, and then you go to System Preferences. Now, one quick bonus lesson, some of you already have system preferences down here, but if you don't, you can click and hold and go to Options and say Keep and Dock, and that works for any program. And then it stays in your nice little tray here, and that way you've got easier access to it. From there, you go to Displays, because we're changing how our displays work. And then we go to the Arrangement tab. Now, extended means that you see something on your screen, and then your student sees something else on the projector. So it's almost like having an external monitor like I'm set up with right now, to where it's side by side. So that's what that means. Some people prefer this, and again, this is all personal preference. There's no right or wrong way. The other option is mirror displays. So what that would mean, if I check this box, it'll change it to mirrored, and that would mean that what I see on my computer screen is what students see on the projector screen. I preferred this. It was hard for me to extend and then have to get a frame of reference as I drove my mouse over there. It's just too difficult for me. Some of you prefer the other way. You like it extended. I preferred mirrored, and then I would just freeze my projector if my students didn't need to see what I was doing on my screen. But again, it's all how you want it. So that's where you do it. And again, if I check this box, I'm not going to do it because it would stop recording my video, I've learned. But that's where I would check it if I wanted my students to see what's on my screen. So we'd still be looking at the same thing. Another thing you can do, so you'll notice the white bar, that's your main one. And then this other one is your extended screen, your projector, or whatever the case may be. You can actually click and drag this and move it over to the left or back to the right. So if you're ever in a situation where your desk has it to where your projector is to the right, but your extended monitor is to the left, so you have to remember to drag left, that always confused me too. And so you can actually move and drag those in order to make it a little bit more natural. Okay, so hopefully this helps you out with extending and mirroring displays, understanding what that means, and how to get it set up.